These are not classroom projects. We're dealing with real companies with real business issues. So the expectations in terms of the professionalism, for the quality of work, for the business impact, the tangible impact of the deliverables is critical.
Absolutely, it was one of the best experiences that I've had at Krannert.
The professionalism and dedication of those students was phenomenal.
So we have projects that we're doing in conjunction with pharmacy, with engineering, with aviation technology, with agricultural science. And this is great opportunity for the Krannert students to work with very strong students in some of our world-class programs.
Where exactly they could enter from a strategic point of view. It's also enhanced our relationships with the professors because we had to work very closely with some of them.
So I learned about finance, marketing, strategy. This project helps me bring everything in one place.
Definitely more than anything else, the networking abilities of an Eli project make it worth its weight in gold.
When you get involved in a consulting project, you're working with a real client who has a need, and you're taking many of the theories you've studied in class, formulas you've learned, and you're really applying those in a day-to-day setting.
And so we were able to utilize the problem-solving skills we developed in class, in case-based studies, to solve that problem.
Students really notice what we did and what we learned from these projects.
When you're sitting in a class, reviewing a case, or discussing a theory or some idea that's been researched, you have better questions to ask because you've sat in discussions with clients trying to solve similar issues.
They're incredibly bright and professional in their dealings and really took an objective approach to the problem we were trying to solve.
And we were very impressed with their international knowledge of agriculture and of business in general.
We definitely plan to implement many of the strategies and recommendations brought forth by the students.
We found their final recommendations to be extremely valuable in our strategic planning process.
Projects helped me learn more about how companies operate from within, as well as strengthen my consulting skills in addressing client needs.
This has been a great experience. Firstly, I'm looking for my career in management consulting, specifically in healthcare, and this is what exactly I want to do.
It really enhances your whole resume and your whole persona when you're interviewing.
Everyone wins. It's one of those things where these students can walk out into an interview and give such a great perspective of real world. They can apply skills they just learned in the classroom, put them in an application, learn from them, and then have that as something to talk about. And we as the company get a great deal of value out of it as well.